guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some very easy popcorn chicken. So let's get started. For this we'll need 2 cups of chicken cut into cubes, half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of flour. We'll also need 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. First, a mixing bowl, add milk and vinegar, mix it together. Then add salt, paprika, chili sauce, soy sauce, and mix it all well. Now add the egg, mix it again. And then finally add the flour and mix it well. Now keep this for marination for at least 2 hours in the fridge. Now prepare the flour by adding salt and paprika and then mix it well. Now one by one coat the chicken in the flour properly. They'll have a better crust if you press them with your hands while coating them. Once they're all coated in flour, then we're ready to fry. Now we'll fry these on medium heat. Once they're golden and crispy from one side, then flip them and then let them cook for a few more minutes. Once they're done from the other side, take them out and serve. You can serve them as appetizers or as an evening snack for your kids. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.